Okay, so let's see. The question was given by Abhiram. Okay, so the first question is very good question. Okay, it is redox. First question is redox reaction, right? Now, in first, you don't have to do anything extra. You just have to follow the same steps that we did. Okay, the only difference in this first question was, right? If you see the first question, the only difference was in this we have multiple elements which are oxidized and reduced. The first step, what was the first step? Tell me. The first step was, right? The first step was write the components, write the elements which is oxidized and reduced. So Fe2 plus Cn minus Ce4 plus from reactant side and product side. So it is Ce4 plus means carbon, this carbon have charge of plus 2. This carbon have charge of plus 2. Okay. Now this is Ce plus 3 plus Fe3 plus carbon 4 plus NO3 minus. So this nitrogen have charge of plus 5 and this nitrogen have charge of minus 3. Okay. So if you can see here, we have 4 elements which are getting either oxidized or reduced, right? So this is step 1, same. Step 2. If you see the step 2, right? Just check step 2. Same. Write down the oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. Fe2 plus will give Fe3 plus electron. Ce4 plus will give electron, sorry, take electron from Ce3 plus. Carbon, right, will lose electron. Nitrogen will lose electron. Okay, that's your second step. Got it? Now third step was balancing the atoms, right? Third step is always balancing the atoms. Before balancing electrons, you have to balance the atoms. Now if you see the reaction here, start with Fe. One Fe product side, one Fe reactant side, right? No need to balance, 1, 1, 1. Then Ce, right? Now Ce is difficult to balance because Ce, NO3 is also there, right? NO3 is also there, so it is difficult to balance. So we will leave Ce for now. Now check carbon. Carbon here 6, right? Carbon here is 6, right? So here it should be 6. Okay, so carbon 6 carbon, right? After carbon, nitrogen also here 6. So this side also it should be 6. So 6 nitrogen, right? Now iron, carbon, nitrogen done, right? Now what about Ce? The ratio is 1:1. The ratio is 1:1. So it doesn't matter, right? Now we will balance the electrons, right? So this we haven't done till now, right? We haven't done the 61 till now, right? This is not there till now. Till now we have just this, this, and this. Now, if you see this, we have 3 oxidation reaction and 1 reduction reaction. So if you see the electrons being lost, 8 into 6, 48. 2 into 6, 12, plus 1. So if you count all the electrons being lost, it will be 61. Right, guys? 61 electron is being lost. So obviously 61 electrons should be gained. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Right? Right, everyone? So there's only 1 reaction which is gained. So that's why we will multiply this reaction with 61. Now this is balanced. This is balanced. Add them. This is balanced. Add them. After adding, right? Same procedure. After adding, add them. If you add them, this will be a reaction. Fe2 plus is from K4FeCN6. Now this will include C, 6C and 6N also. Okay. Now 61 is from 61 CeNO3 whole 4, right? This is a balanced reaction. Now you think about this, that I have given 250 KNO3. Why? Because it is a spectator ion. It is a spectator ion. If you count the number of nitrogen, 61 into 4. 61 into 4 is, tell me, 244, right? 244 nitrogen here. And here, 6 nitrogens. 6 nitrogen. How many total nitrogen do we have? 250 nitrogen. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Right? So it should be 250 KNO3. Okay. Right? So till this point, everything is clear. But we still don't have, when you talk about the reactants, main reaction, we still don't have KOH and K2CO3, right? So sorry, K2CO3 we don't have KOH. So let's see K. Now, if I'm having 250K, right? So 250K and 6 into 2, 12K. So this side we have how many Ks? 262 Ks. This side we have 262 Ks. But in reactant side we have only 4 Ks. So we should have 252K and KO is from KOH. So 258 KOH. Right now, after this, let's see oxygen. If you see the oxygen, then 36 oxygen was remaining. So 36 H2O, right? Everything is balanced now. You can check reactant side K 262, product 262, Fe11, nitrogen 250, 250, Ce, sodium 61, 61, hydrogen 258, 258, oxygen 990, 990, right? So this is it. Okay. So the first one is doable. First one is, sorry, this one is advanced level. Okay, right? Now second one. So this is redox. Abhiram got it? Even I don't know which book. Okay, right? It was just some random reaction given by Abhiram. Okay, now second one. Second one is not your redox reaction. It is a redox reaction, by the way, but you cannot use redox method. Okay, right? You cannot use redox method. So I don't know. Second one will not be asked for redox, right? There might be a different way. So the different way is this. Wait, I've already done this. So I'll just remove this. The first one you understood, right? Everyone got the first one? In second one, we will basically use unitary method. Okay, in second one, we will basically use unitary method. Okay, second one you cannot do by redox. Okay, you might do, but I cannot. It was hit and trial only, right? So I will just use unitary method. Now, what is unitary method? So we know that for any reaction to be balanced, the atom should be balanced. First, we will balance the atom, then we will check if electron is balanced or not, right? So I will just assign, suppose this is X mole of this, react with Y mole of this to give Z mole of this, U mole of this, V mole of this, and W mole of this. Got it? Tell me, yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Now try to find the relationship. Try to equate each and every elements. So here in X mole of Pb, we have one Pb, but in W mole of Pb3, wait, I'll just use different color by the way, right? So X mole of Pb, right? Okay, X mole of Pb will have, right, 3 W mole of Pb. Got it? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay. In the same way, this CO, one CO, one CO. So Y is equal to U, 1, 1. Now take about Mn. So here we have 3 Mn and here we have 1 Mn. So 3Y, right, is equal to Z, right? Now after Mn, we have nitrogen. So it is 6x. 6x is equal to, here we have V. Now after nitrogen, anything left? Oxygen left. Now if you see oxygen, right? If you see oxygen, we have 12Y. Okay, 12Y. Okay, Y mole of oxygen will have 12Y of, sorry, Y mole of this compound will have 12Y of oxygen, 12Y. Now if you see the product side, it will be 2 into Z plus U plus V plus 4W. Got it? Tell me, got it? Yes or no? Till this point, everyone got this? Okay. Now let's see. Let's see this. Right? Let's see. Suppose we take 1 mole of. Suppose we take 1 mole of this. Right? Suppose we take x is equal to 1. Suppose we take 1 mole of this. So can I say that W will be equal to 1 by 3? Right? V will be equal to 6. Okay. Right? Now see this. 12y is equal to z is equal to 3y. Z is equal to 3y. So it will be 6y plus u is equal to y. So it is y plus v is already 6 plus w is 1 by 3. So it is 4 by 3. Okay. Now if you solve this, you will get y will be equal to 12y minus 1 by 5y, and this will add this 22. So it will be 22 by 15. Y is 22 by 15. So y 22 by 15. Right? Now if you got y, what is z? Z is equal to 3y, which is 22 by 5. Right? Now y is u, so this is equal to u. U is also 22 by 15. Got it, everyone? Tell me, got it? Yes or no? Aryan, Abhiram, got this? So you got the stoichiometric ratios? Okay. Now just have to put it, right? Just put it. Okay, I'll just put it over here. X is 1. So x I'm taking as 1. I'll just use red pen over here. X is 1. Now y is 22 by 5. So 22 by 15. Okay. Y 22 by 15. Z is 22 by 5. So 22 by 5. Now u is 22 by 15. V is 6. W is 1 by 3. Now if you take the LCM of, right, just multiply everything by 15. Okay, I'll just write it over here. I'll write down over here. Multiply everything by 15. So it is 15. This is 22. This is 22 into 3, 66. This is 22. 15 into 6, 90. And this is 1 by 3 into 15, 5. Balanced. So the balanced reaction is 15 Pb N3 whole twice plus 22 CO MnO4 whole thrice gives 66 MnO2 plus 22 COO plus 90 NO plus 5 Pb3O4. Now see, every element is balanced. Got it, Abhiram? Okay, Aryan, Shrihari, everyone? Got this? Okay. Okay, everyone? Okay? Okay. Okay, thank you, everyone. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Take care. Yeah, bye, everyone. See, Abhiram, if H2O would be in product, then we just have to add H plus or OH minus, but again, that would be very complex and you cannot give any random reaction and ask to balance it, right? Okay, not every random reaction can be balanced. Okay. So here, the acidic medium or basic medium which was given, it was of no importance. Okay, right? If you find any other solution, just share that also or ask for the solution. Okay. Okay. Bye, everyone. Thank you.